So this is a Lumi cover. I've got a couple of these. I've used these before on customers' houses. Basically, it's a night light. It's got a little photo cell down here, so when it gets dark in the room, it turns the night light on by itself. These are good for bathrooms and things like that. Hallways, places where you need to light it up. There's no turning this off, so there's no on-off switch. So basically, put it somewhere where you know you're going to have a night light all the time. I'm going to install this in a bathroom by a commode today. Basically, I'm going to pop it open. It's super simple to put in. All you got to do is open it up. You slide this cover on where the old covers are, and it works. So it makes it super simple to install. Now, with that being said, they do make a Decora and a standard receptacle cover. The Decora fits on exactly the same, unless you have one of these. These with the USB connectors in them, some are up and down, some are left and right. Usually what happens on the back of these, they wire differently. They don't have the normal pins on the back of them. So wire may go into the top and out of the bottom. So the normal contacts that this slides over does not make contact, and it doesn't work. So if you've got one with these USB ports on it, take the cover off and check it before you buy one. So here we are out of the package. Again, those two little copper pins right here and here. When you put this on the wall, the little dot goes at the bottom. The dot is the photo cell. When it goes on the wall, these two pins touch the connectors on the power on the back of the receptacle and turn the light on. Now you should turn your power off before you do this. You don't have to do it, depending on how skilled you are or unskilled you are. If you want to be safe, turn the breaker off, go into this first. But you should not be sticking your fingers anywhere near the electric, so technically you shouldn't get shocked. But again, as a safety reminder, you should turn the power off first. So I'm going to take the screw out of the middle here. Take the plate off the wall. And again, back in there are your contact points. This side's the neutral because it's silver. This side's the hot because it's copper. So if you stick your finger in there, you're not going to do it more than once or twice. So don't get shocked. Take your plate with the light facing down and the button facing down. Simply push it on. And we're going to tighten our screw up. And the screw does not have to go upward, but it looks more professional when you put the screws upward. And that's all there is to it. And again, if you buy a cheaper one, you can get some cheap ones on Amazon for $2 or $3 a piece. This one was $9.99. Trust me, you get $3 worth of light fixture versus the $9.99 one. Spend a little bit more money if it's your house and put in the good ones.